Welcome to this German learning podcast. Simple German, everyday German. Learn by listening. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Deutsch leicht im Alltag, German easy in daily life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Max. Hi everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is going to be super useful. We're talking about something almost everyone needs in Germany, the train station.
Yes, der Bahnhof, the train station. Whether you're traveling to Berlin, Munich, or just going to the next town, you'll need to buy a ticket and understand the announcements.
Exactly. And we know train stations can feel a bit stressful, especially when everything is in German. But don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step.
Before we start, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us create more episodes for you.
Okay, so today we'll learn how to buy a train ticket, understand what the announcements mean, and feel confident at the Bahnhof.
Let's do this. Are you ready? Los geht's. Let's go.
Okay, Max, let's imagine we're at the train station. I need to buy a ticket. What's the first thing I say?
Great question. First, you need to greet the person. In German, we say Guten Tag. That means good day or just hello.
Guten Tag, good day. Easy and very polite.
Then you say what you need. Listen to this. Ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin kaufen.
Let's break that down. Ich möchte means I would like.
Exactly. Ich möchte, I would like. Then eine Fahrkarte, a ticket.
Eine Fahrkarte, a ticket. And nach Berlin means to Berlin.
Right. Nach means to when you're talking about a city. So nach München to Munich, nach Hamburg to Hamburg.
And kaufen means to buy.
Perfect. So altogether, ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin kaufen. I would like to buy a ticket to Berlin.
Let's listen again. Ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin kaufen.
Now you try at home. Say it with us. Ready? Ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin kaufen.
Great job! You're doing it.
Now the person at the counter will ask you einfach oder hin und zurück.
Ooh, this is important. Einfach means one way.
And hin und zurück means round trip, literally there and back.
So if you're only going to Berlin and not coming back the same day, you say einfach bitte. One way, please.
But if you want to come back, you say hin und zurück bitte. Round trip, please.
Let's practice. Listen. Hin und zurück, bitte.
Say it with us. Hin und zurück, bitte.
Excellent. You're getting it.
Now they might also ask erste Klasse oder zweite Klasse.
First class or second class? Erste Klasse is first class. More expensive, more comfortable.
Zweite Klasse is second class. Totally fine and cheaper.
Most people say zweite Klasse, bitte. Second class, please.
Let's say it together. Zweite Klasse, bitte.
Perfect. Now you know how to buy a basic ticket. Nice work.
Okay, Anna, I have my ticket, but I need to know, when does my train leave?
Good question. In German, you ask, Wann fährt der Zug ab?
Wann means when. Fährt means departs or leaves, and der Zug is the train.
So, wann fährt der Zug ab? When does the train leave?
Listen again. Wann fährt der Zug ab?
Now you try. Wann fährt der Zug ab?
Great! And the answer might be, der Zug fährt 14 Uhr ab.
14 Uhr means at 14 o'clock or at 2 p.m.
In Germany, we use the 24-hour clock, so 14 Uhr is 1400 or 2 p.m. 18 Uhr is 6 p.m.
Right. So if someone says 9 Uhr, that's 9 a.m. 21 Uhr is 9 p.m.
Let's practice. Der Zug fährt 14 Uhr ab. The train leaves at 2 p.m.
Say it with us. Der Zug fährt 14 Uhr ab.
You're doing amazing.
Now, you also need to know where your train is. You need the platform number.
Yes, in German, the platform is called das Gleis.
So you ask, von welchem Gleis fährt der Zug ab?
Von welchem Gleis means from which platform. Fährt der Zug ab, does the train leave.
Altogether, von welchem Gleis fährt der Zug ab? From which platform does the train leave?
Let's listen. Von welchem Gleis fährt der Zug ab?
Now you say it. Von welchem Gleis fährt der Zug ab?
Perfect. And the answer is, der Zug fährt von Gleis 7 ab.
The train leaves from platform 7. Von Gleis 7. From platform 7.
So easy. Let's say it. Der Zug fährt von Gleis 7 ab.
Excellent work. You're improving already.
Okay, this is the part that can be tricky, the announcements.
Yes, at German train stations, you'll hear announcements. They can sound fast, but we'll teach you the key words.
The most common announcement starts like this. Achtung auf Gleis 5.
Achtung means attention or watch out.
Auf Gleis 5 means on platform 5.
So, Achtung auf Gleis 5. Attention on platform 5.
This means something is happening on platform 5. Listen carefully.
Let's practice. Achtung auf Gleis 5.
Say it. Achtung auf Gleis 5.
Great! Now here's a full announcement. Der Zug nach Hamburg fährt in 5 Minuten ab.
Let's break it down. Der Zug nach Hamburg, the train to Hamburg.
Fährt in 5 Minuten ab, leaves in 5 minutes.
In 5 Minuten, in 5 minutes. Ab means it's departing.
So altogether, der Zug nach Hamburg fährt in 5 Minuten ab. The train to Hamburg leaves in 5 minutes.
Listen again. Der Zug nach Hamburg fährt in 5 Minuten ab.
Now you try. Der Zug nach Hamburg fährt in 5 Minuten ab.
Nice, you're getting it.
Sometimes trains are late. You'll hear, der Zug hat Verspätung.
Verspätung is a great word. It means delay.
Der Zug hat Verspätung. The train is delayed.
They might say, der Zug hat 10 Minuten Verspätung.
The train is 10 minutes late. 10 Minuten Verspätung. 10 minutes delay.
Let's say it. Der Zug hat 10 Minuten Verspätung.
Try it. Der Zug hat 10 Minuten Verspätung.
Perfect. Don't worry if you don't catch everything at first. Listen for the key words. Gleis, Verspätung, fährt ab.
Exactly. You don't need to understand every word, just the important ones.
And here's another useful announcement. Einsteigen bitte.
Einsteigen means to board or get on.
So, einsteigen bitte means please board. It's time to get on the train.
Let's say it. Einsteigen bitte.
You try. Einsteigen bitte.
Wonderful. You're doing so well.
Let's review some key words you'll see and hear at the Bahnhof.
First, der Bahnhof, the train station.
Der Bahnhof. Say it with us. Der Bahnhof.
Next, die Fahrkarte, the ticket.
Die Fahrkarte. Try it. Die Fahrkarte.
Now, der Zug, the train.
Der Zug. Again. Der Zug.
Das Gleis, the platform.
Das Gleis. Say it. Das Gleis.
Die Abfahrt, the departure.
Die Abfahrt. Try. Die Abfahrt.
And die Ankunft, the arrival.
Die Ankunft. Let's say it. Die Ankunft.
Der Fahrkartenautomat, the ticket machine.
Ooh, that's a long one. Der Fahrkartenautomat. But you can do it.
Try it slowly. Fahrkartenautomat.
Der Fahrkartenautomat. Great job.
And last one, die Verspätung, the delay.
Die Verspätung. Say it. Die Verspätung.
Perfect. These words will help you so much at the train station.
Okay, let's do a quick practice conversation. I'll be the customer. Anna, you're the ticket seller.
Perfect. Let's go.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? Good day. How can I help you?
Ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach München kaufen.
Einfach oder hin und zurück?
Hin und zurück, bitte.
Erste Klasse oder zweite Klasse?
Zweite Klasse, bitte. Wann fährt der Zug ab?
Der Zug fährt um 10 Uhr ab. Von Gleis 3.
Vielen Dank. Thank you very much.
Bitte sehr. Gute Reise. You're welcome. Have a good trip.
See? That's a real conversation at the train station.
And you understood it all. Excellent. Wow, Max, we covered so much today.
We really did. Let's recap the key phrases one more time.
First, ich möchte eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin kaufen. I would like to buy a ticket to Berlin.
Einfach oder hin und zurück. One way or round trip.
Wann fährt der Zug ab? When does the train leave?
Von welchem Gleis fährt der Zug ab? From which platform does the train leave?
Der Zug hat Verspätung. The train is delayed.
And einsteigen bitte, please board.
These phrases will make your life so much easier at the Bahnhof.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just try. German people appreciate when you speak German even if you make mistakes.
Exactly. Making mistakes is part of learning. You're doing great.
Now we have a fun community question for you.
Here it is. Wie reist du am liebsten? Mit dem Zug? Mit dem Auto? Oder mit dem Flugzeug?
That means, how do you like to travel most? By train, by car, or by plane?
Tell us in the comments. Do you say, ich reise am liebsten mit dem Zug? I like to travel by train most.
Or, ich reise am liebsten mit dem Auto. I like to travel by car most.
Or, ich reise am liebsten mit dem Flugzeug. I like to travel by plane most.
We really want to know. Leave a comment and practice your German.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like and subscribe. It helps us so much.
Next time, we'll learn how to order food at a German restaurant. You'll learn how to say what you want to eat and drink.
That's going to be delicious. We can't wait.
Until then, keep practicing. You're doing amazing work.
Tschüss. Goodbye.
Bis bald. See you soon.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking German.